Forge again, and happy birthday for Karen Brunt. She don't look a day over 22 or whatever. She's gonna love me for that. We're on with these this week. We've got John Blance, and he's got like Eros type gates and railings to do. So all this has been done. I'll just show you how we're making these top scrolls like these over here. But we're doing some 12mm round scrolls. So I've got some inch oven as usual, gas mark seats, warming up. What we're doing is putting a bit of a fishtail on these, both sides. So we've got to hold these level because we've... Show you again. Oh, back. Another one here, like this. Holding that other one on opposite side level all the time. So that when we get them over here onto the scroll machine, like that, they're both level. I'm just going to put this in here, press start. The program's already set up in there, and that's just going to roll them round there like that. So we've got a rake of them to do, and we've got also got a load of 12mm, 500 and odd of them to do. So they're going to end up like that round same jig. Also, we've got some 25x10 forest scrolls that we've done. We're making these top scrolls. We just chop these down in right shots so I can blend them up. And we'll put this on here, get it all level, so that these become then these for Apollos. So we've just got all that levelled up. Well on there, that's all level, and that's what you end up with. They're all part of the top scrolls. Also, what I've got here is a bit of a stand. I'm going to make this into a stand for a flower or a rose or something. I'll just put it right in there. Watch yourself a sec. So, warm this up. Yeah, nice even heat. Usually do these on machine over there like twister, but because they're such a small twist, you can't get them on machine, and I've got enough on this side. Just twist this anti-clockwise and get a nice little twist in there. Get that level again. And what I do there, I've gone opposite way to that, so I'm going to go like I've done there. That's anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Going to do another one there, and that's going to be his flower stand. So anyway, big shout out for everyone that goes into the local boozer. Get yourself down to Dog tonight because there's pop quiz on, where Right Said Odds is going to be doing pop quiz and all that, and probably doing like club singing in style of it and Bob. So answers on a postcard to Bob Swift and make it Bob Swift quick sharpish, see they?